Hi, and welcome to the Property Outline. First, a disclaimer. Property law is exceptionally broad and detailed. Law professors choose their casebooks depending on what they consider important. Some, for example, continue to teach relatively antique subjects, such as entailments, while others focus on modern conveyancing practices. This set of lectures is long and offers a broad sweep of all the major areas, but it is lacking in details. It's up to you to fill in the gaps. This outline starts with real property, real estate, and ends with personal property and some specialized areas such as liens and bailments. What is property? This is not an easy question. Property has general attributes such as separability from the person, transferability, some value in cash, and a value that can survive the owner's death. For example, a law degree lacks all these things and is not property. Property suggests the hold has a legally protected legal power of use and possession, exclusion of others, the power to alienate, to benefit from the property, and even to destroy it. Section 1, Real Property. What is real property? Basically, it means land, improvement, and fixtures. An improvement is something like a bridge or building. A fixture is personal property that is attached, and this is a legal conclusion to the property. The standards as to attachment differ among the states, but if the item is incorporated into a structure, it becomes a fixture and is part of the realty. Incorporation may be based on damage that would arise if the item, say a massive steam boiler installed in an apartment building but not anchored to it, were removed. In the usual case, however, one looks for physical attachment to a building to determine if the item is a fixture. For example, a table lamp is not a fixture, but a sconce, which is tangible personal property in legal terms, becomes a fixture when it is attached to the wall by screws. These are divided ownership cases. If a person attaches an item, say a sconce, to a property she does not own, this creates a divided ownership situation. The general rule is that the fixture becomes the landowner's only if that was the intention of the person who bought the attachment, unless, and there are three exceptions. 1. The parties had an agreement as to the fixture, in which case the agreement controls, or 2. The thing is so affixed that it would cause substantial damage, in which case the assumption is that the intention was to surrender the attachment. If so, it becomes the landlord's, or 3. The person fails to remove the property promptly at the end of the lease. This also applies to life tenants. They need to remove their annexations promptly or lose them to the landlord or remaindermen. Trespassers and adverse possessors